Greenheck. Building value in air.
Hi, welcome to a technical detail on network testing. Specifically today, I'm going to be talking about the HVLS fan networking. Here we can see the factory supplied cable. This is the easiest way to get everything right, and it's really easy to verify if it is the factory cable. It's green, and it's got these metal ends. That's what we're looking for, is shielded cable. If it's a different color, you're really going to want to verify every single connection point. It's one of the most common failure points that we see. What you can do is probe each one of these pins individually with a needle probe. I don't have a needle probe on my tester currently. They have a finer point, but you can reach in and tap item to item. That takes a really long time, so here are some shortcuts. I'm going to connect a piece of Cat5 that's been stripped to each end of this, and then we'll be able to use the meter to verify that there's continuity. I've set my meter to sound when there's continuity. I'm going to connect brown to one probe, and now I'll check against my other conductors. Nothing on brown white, nothing on blue, nothing on blue white, and I do have continuity through my brown. I could then proceed to check all the different connectors. There's an easier way though. We're going to test it with the Fluke Micro Mapper. The brand isn't important. Any of these tools do essentially the same thing. They're going to check all of the pairs as well as the shield. We're going to connect both ends. The nice thing with this is one end can be far away in the field. I believe this one works to about 200 meters, but you'll have to check your specific tool. I set it to cable mode and press the test button. We can see that we have continuity through all of them and no crossed over wires. I'm going to now use an unshielded cable so we can see a negative result. Same thing, connect one end, then the other, press the test, and here we can see that that shield is not lit up. We would see the same thing if any of the twisted pairs were broken, as well as all of these other conditions. Again, you'll have to consult your specific tools manual to see, but this is a really fast way to verify network connections. Again, this is one of the most common failures that we see. Someone making their own terminations and flip-flopping some wires, or even someone pulling on the cable too hard and breaking a wire internally. It's a very easy step to make sure that your network is robust. If you have any questions or need further details, please talk to our customer support group.